Rallies and demonstrations continue to take place across the Carolinas this weekend, protesting the overturn of Roe v. Wade. Thanks for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Jane Monreal. People making their voices heard on the landmark Supreme Court decision. WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker joining us with a look at this controversial debate and how both sides of the coin believe they're fighting to protect life.
They say no choice. We say pro-choice.
A gloomy Sunday lit up by passionate protest.
We refuse to be silent about it.
Abort the court! Abort the court!
A group of North Carolinians gathering at the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Government Center saying the right to a person's body is being taken away.
Men don't get told what to do with their bodies because they're men, so women shouldn't get told what to do with their bodies because they're women.
The overturn of the landmark ruling Roe v. Wade, nationally protecting the right to an abortion, has many saying at this point, it's life versus death.
We are angry together and stand up together.
Abort the court! Abort the court!
I hope it doesn't get to that point.
North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper assuring he and his administration are fighting for abortion health care, this week signing an executive order protecting patients who travel to the Tar Heel state for an abortion.
We're going to analyze every situation and continue to find ways to fight because I'm like Alexis, there is hope out there.
Across the border in South Carolina, a similar push to what they believe is saving lives. South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster enacting the Fetal Heartbeat Act, banning abortions after 6 weeks with only a few exceptions, saying, quote, there's no time to wait. It's a debate over what is being deemed as a person. Does the sound of a heartbeat determine that?
1, 2, 3, 4, defend the clinic door.
And as protests continue on, rallies push for protection.
Those are the lives that I'm concerned about, not a clump of cells that can't exist outside of the womb.
While anti-abortion activists fight for the same. In Uptown tonight, Austin Walker, WCNC Charlotte.
And right now, new legislation is currently being pushed through the South Carolina state capitol, which would add more restrictions further than the Fetal Heartbeat Act. The state Senate introducing the Equal Protection at Conception, No Exception Act. That law would ban abortions at any stage unless the mother's life is at risk. It could also fine doctors $10,000. The bill does not mention any penalties for women who seek abortions.